Who is in charge? Who is in charge? Okay. The greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian women. Greatest Nigerian youths. Greatest Nigerian men. Are we lazy? Are we tired? What do we want? Our vote must count. What do we want?
Our vote must count.
I said, do you know that you are the real distinguished Nigerians?
Yes.
Now will not be the honorable.
Yes.
Greet your neighbor, say honorable, good morning, welcome. Distinguished, welcome. Distinguished, I greet you.
Distinguished, I greet you.
All right, are you ready, Nigerians?
We are ready.
Today is our final push.
Yes.
Listen and listen very well. Nigerians will not tolerate mischief. We will not tolerate mischief. We will not be held hostage by the National Assembly.
Never.
The National Assembly must work for the Nigerian people.
Yes.
It will not be weaponized against us.
Yes,
Akabio, the Senate President, and Tajuddin Abbas must do the right thing.
yes.
What do the people want? Real-time electronic transmission
Of results.
from here. This is the People's Parliament. We are going to pass our own bill. And waiting we pass, now waiting them us. Are you ready, Nigerians? If you support the motion, if you think go down, may you go down, so that they go see you well. Nigerians, distinguished Nigerians, are you ready? Honorable colleagues, are you ready? If you support the motion for the movement of mandatory real-time electronic transmission of results, say aye. If you are against it, say nay. If you are against, can you hear me well? Nigerians, are you ready?
Yes.
This is the Nigerian People's Parliament.
Yes.
The voice of the people is the voice of God.
Yes.
Anybody that goes against the people is going against Nigeria.
Yes.
And we will resist you.
Yes.
If you support the motion for mandatory real-time electronic transmission of polling unit results, say aye. If you are against the motion, say nay.
Who said that name?
If you support the motion for mandatory real-time electronic transmission of results, say aye. If you are against it, say nay. Say aye. Electoral malpractice, say your time is up. Election rigging, your time is up. Vote buying, your time is up. Electoral rigging, your time is up. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. My vote must count. Your vote must count. Every vote must count. Every vote must count. Akabio must go. 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 Akabio Tajuddin Abbas, Bayawu Jibrin, Ben Kalu, Simon Lalong, Yaki Dixon, Abaribe, Oshomole, Yaradua, Ekpenyong, all of you, pass the bill. We no go gree, yo, we no go gree. Akabio, pass the bill. Let's go, we no go gree, yo, we no go gree. Akabio, pass the bill. We no go gree, yo, we no go gree. Akabio, pass the bill. I remember Akabio, water on our way, my eye. Water on our way, my eye. When I remember election, water on our way, my eye. Water on our way, my eye. When I remember corruption, water on our way, my eye. Water on our way, my eye. When I remember corruption, water on our way, my eye. Water on our way, my eye. Greatest Nigerian people. Greatest
Nigerian people, fundamental Nigerian comrades. Well, let me first of all thank the organizers of the second phase of Occupyers. We were here last week, we were here last 2 weeks, before the Senate called emergency session. All the partners in this Occupiers, I thank all of you. I represent lawyers in defense of democracy. We will continue to defend democracy. My name is Akah Kingdom now. I'm the convener lawyers in defense of democracy. We have always been here. We will continue to support what is right in this country. We will continue to support and advocate for rule of law. Rule of law entails a democratic society where all agencies of the government abide by rules and regulations, abide by the enabling acts that establish them. I don't believe that a rule made by INEC should be observed in a manner that INEC should be allowed to exercise discretion. INEC have power under the Constitution and under the Electoral Act to make rules and regulations. And once those rules and regulations are made for the purpose of conduct of election, they become law and they should be mandatory. So we are here to affirm, as Nigerian people, to support the House of Representatives version of the Electoral Bill Amendment 2026.
Yes, sir.
As a result of our protest last 2 weeks, the Senate called the emergency session, wherein they made some amendment last week Tuesday. And we are saying, irrespective of that amendment, we, the coalition of civil societies in this country, we support the House of Representatives version of the proposed amendment to the 2026 Electoral Act. That is the version we support. Yes. And we urge the committee of both the Senate and the House of Representatives that have now been saddled with the responsibility to harmonize the two versions of the bill, to adopt and endorse the House of Representatives version. That is the people's version of the 2026 proposed amendment to the Electoral Act. Is that not what we want? The House of Representatives version. And we are saying that within the ambit of the law, we will challenge it. We have been filing public interest cases in this country, and we will not hesitate to challenge it in court when it is finally passed and accepted by the president. If it's anything short of the House of Representatives version, I promise you that you are going to see more than 1,000 litigations in the version, in the 2026 Electoral Act. If the House of Representatives version, the people's version, is not adopted by this committee, if it is accepted by the president fraudulently, what the people have resisted, that is the Senate version, you will get more than 1,000 cases on this 2026 Electoral Act that will even threaten the 2027 general election. So the House of Representatives and the Senate committees should allow Nigerians to have peaceful conduct of 2027 election by avoiding unnecessary litigation. I promise you, we are going to have more than 1,000 cases of public interest cases against the version if it is anything short of the House of Representatives version. And we are saying no to exercise of criminal discretion. When Yakubu Mahmoud had discretion to exercise, how did he exercise it? Criminally. Objection was raised. He continued. His own rule said that if objection is raised, you have to pause. Objection was raised, he continued and announced the president when we were all asleep. We are saying that 2027, there will not be any room for any INEC chairman to exercise criminal discretion. We don't want it. We resist it. And we are saying, pass the bill! Pass the bill! Pass the bill! Pass the bill! Pass the House of Representatives. No matter what they do, what they say, the voice of the people is the voice of God. The voice of the people is the voice of God. So today, we'll be here for the next couple of hours. We will dance. We will move around and we will pass our message. We thank our media who have been with us all these days. So we will have different people address us, speak to us. But we have one message. We are not interested, let me say it clearly before we start. We are not interested in any political party. We are not interested in anything partisan. We are not partisan. We are civil society. We are citizens group, and we are speaking the voice of the people.
And the voice of the people in this instance is for us to pass the bill of the House of Representatives. So I will invite my brother, Check the Belly. Nigerians, are we not strong? Are we not strong? Are we not strong? Is your voice not count? Our voice will count. Is your voice not count? Will we content not be we? Will we content not be we? No real-time transition. No real-time transition. No credible election. Say that with me. No real-time transition. No credible election. We must count. Our vote must count. Our voice must count. Our voice must count. Our women must count. Our women must count. We know the deal. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our voice must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our voice must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count.
Boss.
Our voice must count. Our voice must count. Power belongs to the people. Power belongs to Power belongs to Power belongs to Power belongs to Nigeria never own. Say that with me. Nigeria never own. Nigeria never own. Nigeria never own. Nigeria. 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 We agree that voice of the House of Rep version must count. But listen to me. Hear me. If the doctor, listen. If they change anything from the House of Rep version that we know, if they change anything, we won't agree. If they don't do anything, we don't agree. If they cross anything that they're not supposed to cross, we don't agree. If they change the height of red version, we don't agree. If they remove eyes from
I don't know.
we don't agree. If they cross the wrong T, we don't agree. If they do the wrong eye, we don't agree. House of red version must count. House of red version. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the community of persons with disability, over 35 million, we stand with this version. We refuse to carry. We refuse to give up. No real-time transmission is no credible election. Enough is enough. They have taken us for granted. They have taken what belongs to us. The only power we have now is our vote. The only power we have now is our vote. We can test them out. We can change them. We can refuse to carry them. We can refuse to give up. We will not throw in the towel. What thing we know, we say our vote. Our vote. Our vote. Our voice. Our voice. So let me, on behalf of all the organizers, Action Aid Situation Room, everyone that have come out, the media, we thank you. But let us continue to send the message that Nigeria is bigger than House of Representatives. Nigeria is greater than the Senate. We cannot send 109 people to the position of power and they will want to usurp the power. and use it against us. We no go gree. We no go gree.